Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about the number one reason and mistake as to why your ads are not converting and driving profitable sales, and how to fix that once and for all so you can actually drive consistent sales with your dropshipping business and scale it to $1,000 a day, exactly as I'm doing live inside of this brand new store, or not brand new store, but a relatively new store that I started. And what I'm about to show you is a very simple premise, so it's only going to take me a couple minutes. And if you fix this one mistake in your approach to how you make ads, I don't care what style of ads you run, whether it's video ads, image ads, sales letter ads like I do. If you fix this, I guarantee it will be night and day, and you will significantly improve your performance and make significantly more money from your ads. In fact, one of our students inside of Got to Your Ecom literally just tried this. And as he beautifully quoted, these desires are converting like wildfire, and he's getting insane results just by implementing this one thing. So what is the number one mistake when it comes to why your ads are not converting? Okay. The biggest mistake that you're making is that you are marketing and creating ads for your product. That is why they're not converting. And you're probably like, okay, first of all, that doesn't really make sense, because how am I supposed to sell my product if I can't make ads about my product? And what else am I going to say in my ads if I'm not going to talk about my product? And those are valid questions. That makes absolute sense. But here's the thing that you have to remember, okay? Where's my pen icon? There it is. Okay. People don't give a fuck about your product. This product that you're selling, the product that you're selling, I got news for you, man. Nobody gives a fuck about it. Your dropshipping product from AliExpress, the thing that's on China and Temu and Amazon, nobody gives a fuck about it, man. It's a fucking AliExpress product. If you're dropshipping, maybe you're a brand right now and you have your own custom product, then obviously that doesn't apply to you. But even then, right, regardless of where the product is coming from, nobody gives a fuck about your product. Nobody gives a fuck about your ads. Nobody cares about your product. Think about the last time that you watched an ad. Just ask yourself, do you like watching ads? Probably not. Do you think your audience likes watching ads? Probably not. In fact, most people fucking hate ads. And you know what people hate more than just ads in and of themselves? Ads about products. Because people don't give a fuck about products. Okay? People, and especially the people that we market to on Facebook, people are selfish. When it comes to buying decisions, people are selfish. People only care about themselves. And marketing your product and advertising a product would work if people cared about your product and people wanted your product. But people don't want your product. And this is the key thing here. People want what they think your product will give them. Okay? People don't buy my course because they want 8 hours of video content of me sitting behind a desk and talking to them for just with a screen share and doing all this Shopify stuff. Right? People don't want videos. They don't want SOPs. They don't want written documents. They want the outcome that they think having those things will give them. And so many beginner dropshippers and advertisers have no idea what their customers actually want to get by buying their product. They think their customers want the product. Okay? That could be nothing further from the truth. There can be nothing further from the truth. In fact, if your customer, right, say this is your customer's current situation, right? And they have certain problems and pain points, and they have a desired situation. If your customer could get there instantaneously without your product, they would absolutely do it. They would absolutely do it. But the reality is that they can't. So what that means is our product, when people buy a product, they are buying what they think the product will give them, right? They have what we refer to in advertising, and this is the key word here, desire. Desires are essentially what people want by buying your product. Okay. So let's take my Purify water fountain here, for example, right? People don't want the fountain. They don't want the stainless steel fountain. They don't want the filters. And the beginner dropshipper or beginner advertiser would say, oh, you're right. Benefits sell, features tell. They want the benefits of your product, right? They want their cat to be more hydrated, right? That's a benefit. Your cat will be more hydrated. You don't have to worry about feeding your cat water, right? Customers don't want that either, right? Customers don't want their cats to be more hydrated. They want what they think their cat being more hydrated will give to them and their cat. Okay? What do people think having their cat be more hydrated will give them? They believe that will give them a longer lifespan, a life without medical emergencies, or it will significantly mitigate medical emergencies. It will help them avoid expensive medical bills, right? These are the things that your customer wants. That's what your customer's buying, right? That's what your customer's buying. They're not buying the product. They're buying what they think the product will give them. And the mistake that many dropshippers make is they market and their ads focus on the product. But we've just analyzed and with very clear examples, and we now know and understand that customers don't want the product. They want what they think the product will give them. Okay? In other words, they have certain desires, they have certain wants that they think buying your product will satisfy. And so if we know that our customers don't really give a fuck about our product, let alone an AliExpress dropship product from China, right? If we know customers don't give a fuck about our product, why would we waste any time and energy marketing the product, right? What you want to do instead is focus on the things that your customer wants to get out of your product. So as you can see, as an example, right? My product title is not even the stainless steel fountain. It is the core desire that I validated that people actually want out of this product, which is to give their cat more years and extend their lifespan by keeping them healthy and hydrated. And I just for shits and giggles, I went to the ad library and I looked up back pain device. Okay, first ad I saw was committing this cardinal sin and mistake. Right? If we just read their ad copy, okay, waking up with neck pain every morning, that used to be me. Now I sleep through the night and wake up pain free. If we just take that hook, right? Let's just take that hook here, okay? Right? This is what they're advertising, right? They're waking up, right? Or they're advertising rather, the benefit of waking up without pain, right? But why? Why does that matter to customers? Why should anyone care about waking up and getting pain free? You need to go deeper. This is still so surface level. This is not tapping into the desire, right? What do people actually want, right? They want to get rid of pain, but why? Right? Why do they want to get rid of pain? How can we go one step deeper? Right? Maybe they want to get rid of pain because of the pain, they can no longer play with their grandkids. So they want to be able to play with their grandkids again. Or they want to be able to play sports again. Or let's say they're in so much pain that it's keeping them agitated and it's ruining their marriage. Right? Or they're in so much pain that they can't sleep and now it's ruining their health and they're getting, some diseases or whatever. Right? Those are the things that people actually want to get. Right? And yes, there's obviously going to be people that just want to be pain-free because the pain is excruciating. But there's so much deeper that you can go with this that an ad that's just focused on the product cannot accomplish. So it's not enough to talk about the benefits, right? There's a saying like benefits sell, features tell, right? It's not enough to talk about the benefits because even the benefits of your product, right? The benefits of your product are things that people are buying because of what they think those benefits will allow them to achieve. So again, a feature of this fountain is the stainless steel construction. A benefit is that it keeps your cat, hydrated. And the desire that that benefit satisfies is extending my cat's lifespan or preventing expensive medical bills. Those are the things that you want to focus on. And it's by focusing on what your customer actually wants to get, or in other words, the desire, that really creates the selling power of your ad. And if you get this right, you can have the most basic ad in the world. It could be video, it could be image. And if you understand and communicate exactly what your customer wants to get and you make them believe that your product is the only way, not the best way, the only way that they can get that desired outcome, that is when you can start printing some serious money with ads and making money with your ads in a way that your current approach to advertising is not allowing you to do. And I know this because, shout out to Sammy, literally tested this out, focusing on desires, and now they're converting like wildfire. $1,500 in sales right there. So the number one mistake in ads currently made by beginner dropshippers is focusing too much on the product and even the benefits of the product. And if you want to fix this, think about, just ask yourself the question. You can use AI to do this as well. Just ask yourself, what are these benefits? What do I think these benefits, why do I think, all right, I can't even get my words out. Blame the coffee. Why do people want these benefits? And what do people think these benefits are going to give them? That is what you want to focus on, right? Come up with those wants and desires, and that's what your ads should market. Forget about your product. Just focus on this. Focus on your customers' wants by doing the research and understanding those desires. And then that is what you build your ad strategy around. The desires, not the product, the desires. And if you fix that mistake, I'm extremely confident your ads will improve significantly better than they currently are now, if they're not already. So guys, that is going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content as always. And if you're someone who is serious about starting and scaling a branded dropshipping business and scaling it to 1K a day in the fastest way possible, exactly as I'm doing so live on this store right here, and you want to see the behind the scenes of how this actually works, click the first link in the description to join my private course and community, Guide to Your Ecom. Otherwise, hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Enjoy the content as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Before I bounce, remember, all of this is just advice. It's your life. It's your business. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. Until next time.